Welcome to my new video. So, in my previous 100 or maybe 50 videos, I actually focus more on IntelliJ idea for developing Java based application. So, for today, I actually tried to start Eclipse. So, since all the companies or the main companies, not main companies, uh, Oh, most of the companies, I mean, 70% of companies using the Eclipse or Eclipse related products for developing Java application, and some of them actually providing license for the IntelliJ IDEA. So the thing is like, if you are a Java developer, you need to be very familiar with the IntelliJ, not IntelliJ Eclipse IDEA. Otherwise, probably you will struggle. So that thoughts actually uh, that thoughts actually make me to end up in Eclipse right now, to download Eclipse and yeah, creating a workspace in our not in our not our in my workspace in my computer. So in this video we will see how we will install. In this video we will see how we will install Eclipse, and next couple of videos we will see what we can do using Eclipse. So today I'm going to just download. I will do that things right away because I don't know how long it will take to download this macOS version of Eclipse. Just click on that. Okay, here. So they are asking for some. Okay, here nothing we don't need to worry about. Just save that file. Let's see what is going to happen after that. Yeah, it's very easy to start in this case. So I'm just opening that. I guess it will not take that time. Oh, I guess we need to click on Eclipse installer. I don't know whether it's, or do we need to move to the application? I am not sure. Let's see. Oh, okay, I am in another window right now. We need to close, terminate the, before I am going to the actual Eclipse installation. So what exactly you need? Eclipse IDE for Java developer, including Java IDE, Git client, XML editor, Maven, data integration. Yeah, for basic things that's enough. Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developer. Tools for developers working with Java and web application, including Java IDE. Tools for JavaScript, TypeScript, JavaScript pages. Is anything more? Yeah, there are a couple of other things also. In this case, YAML, web services, API, TypeScript, Java, JSP. Embedded C developers, PHP, or CP, I don't know, CP, remote, okay. This one, Java and DSL. So I will go with this one. Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java. And I need to provide a location where I can install. I will choose the default one, except now installing. Maybe it will take 4 minutes or something. So it's, yeah, it's mandatory to yeah, know how Eclipse will work, how we will add plugins, what are the things we can possible to do using Eclipse, and just a comparison with some other ideas like IntelliJ idea, or even if Visual Studio Code we can do the programming. I already told everyone like will take some time to install. So basically right now it's taking some time. So yeah, actually almost 5 minutes, 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes on this video. I don't know whether I can complete this. Probably I will try that. The thing is like my voice. That's the only thing. My voice will decide whether we can complete this in this video or whether we need to wait for another episode or something. The thing is like in my video recorder I didn't set up the other things, I mean the pause. So here everything is fine. Can just launch here. So whether it's game or not, I need to check that here. So here I need to choose a Eclipse workspace. I am just considering the default locations. If you need something, you can add something else. So that's all about Eclipse installation. Here you can create a new Java web project or whatever you need. Or if you are going to the menu, also you can create different type of projects. Maybe you guys will not see because it's on top of my screen and I actually not capturing that area. So servlet, JavaScript file project, JPA project, static web project, application. Probably we will discuss some of them in next couple of videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.